just a game. You can win. You can win. I believe in you. No, I'm not gonna shut up. Don't cry.
I hate you all.
Yeah.
She hates us both.
Yeah.
That cop-
Go side of John if you hate us, bro.
Man, that's insane, man.
Yeah.
Okay, audio
Okay,
is
is she okay?
working.
Is she alive? Is she well? Do we have to give her a hug so she can calm the fuck down?
Alright, waiting for opponents. I pressed
Liam.
to redo. Yay.
Let's see if I get. Okay, let's see if I get angry, guys. Guys, no worries. I'm gonna get angry. I'm gonna be the one that gets angry today.
Yay.
I'm gonna change it to one of my least favorite colors.
Oh, yay, have fun.
Thanks. Here you go. Thanks for the blue.
Valve, you're welcome.
Oh, sick of you. You're gonna win. Ace, shut up. You're gonna win.
Don't try
I'm
to
gonna-
make me feel better.
I'm gonna make sure Ace doesn't win.
Make you feel better because yes.
I'm gonna make sure Ace doesn't win.
Yeah, have a turn.
Oh my god, Bunny, you really are a good champ for me. Thanks, dude.
No, no.
I'm kidding.
She's so paranoid.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god, alright, I'm gonna change it to a 7.
Not the good types for me.
Bruh, oh no. Oh no, Ace, be careful, his entire deck could have a lot of 4s. And I mean a lot.
Oh yeah, possibly, but I'm not using any. Clearly makes a lot of sense there, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, wrong person though.
I know.
Alright, let's see. Ayo. Hey. Fuck no! Cries out loud. I just hear it scream.
Could not fall any more perfectly.
Oh god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that was so beauty.
Oh my god, you're a psychopath.
I'm gonna actually blow out
Obviously.
my lungs. Why this color?
Because I need it to be green. Because I love green.
No!
Oh, thanks, man. You gave me more green, so we could stay on green.
No!
Thanks. I don't have any more cards, so boop. Oh hey, I can actually change it.
Thank you.
Make
I
it
hope
blue.
this is going to be the right color.
Perfect color.
I was joking. Woo, thanks.
So here we go.
Oh, I'm so angry right now I can literally piss on a woman! Mom, get over here! I'm gonna piss on you! Previously, you said what's a good color.
Woo, mine.
Oh shit!
Let's change it a different color, y'all. Let's change it to blue.
Why? Why?
Because I'm freaking evil.
Apparently, holy crap! I hate if you. Honestly, I'm gonna tell you how loud I'm screaming. If Mom was here, she'd be in here like a few minutes
She'd
ago.
be
telling
spanking
me
you
to
ass
stop.
while you moan.
Yeah, Dad already told me just shut the fuck up already.
Okay. Oh man,
Yay.
how dare you? My least favorite color. I guess I can just.
Man, you were really screwing over her more than me. I am happy with this.
Hey, she's the one who chose yellow, not me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
your turn, Liam.
You know what? Fuck it, I'm bored. I'm gonna change it to something else.
Red.
I want. No, my favorite color, blue.
Hey.
Why this color?
Oh.
expendable.
Keeping
Cool
this
monkey
one.
in the path of being cool.
Don't
Somebody switch it.
Don't, no one switch the order. No one switch the flipping order, or I swear to God, I will shoot all of you.
Someone switch it to red.
Okay, I'll do it.
Aww.
Of course, I'm just kidding. I have the mentality of a pussycat.
Aww. Still
I'm
no
expecting my
red.
sister Lord to come in here and tell me to
Ooh.
shut up.
Hey. Alright.
Yeah.
Why did I do that?
Ooh! Oh, I could have done it then. Oh well.
Oh,
well, I
that's so
still can.
sad. Can
Well,
I get
I
a
still
turn?
can.
Hello, guys.
No, I'm switching that around. You can't aim that on me.
Thank you.
Sammy, I would say heart of the cards, but I don't think you have heart of the cards.
Oh
But,
shit.
it's not. It's
It's a good
yellow.
thing I have this on my sleeve.
I need you, Sammy. I need you to switch it to yellow.
Heart of the cards. I have mainly all greens, baby.
What color? Hey, what color do you want me to not switch it to, Ace?
I want you to not switch it to anything other than yellow. All right, Sammy. Heart of the cards.
Heart of the cards, man.
Heart of the cards. Heart of the cards. Heart of the cards. Heart of the cards.
Peace.
Oh.
Let me peace, bitch.
Oh.
Woo.
Oh. Okay.
Yay!
Number 3.
Okay.
Guys, I have a penis. Did you know that? No, we can change it to yellow now. No, we
Thank
can change
you.
it to blue now.
I have something that can screw him over.
Aww.
No, you can't.
What the
fuck?
fuck? This is
I
Barbara's
would have done
fault.
another thing,
You
but I'm
right.
saying that.
Fucker.
Alright.
Like right now.
Oh, motherfucker, that better not
You
go for
right.
me.
The cards.
Yes, I agree.
Oh gosh, dang it! I was waiting for the cards. Where are the cards? Why?
This
Red,
is
let it be red.
Barbara's fault.
It is not red. At least I get a number.
Why would you do this?
I have no idea.
You
I'm
right.
drunk.
Go
With your
ahead.
dumb evil laugh.
Oh,
Aww.
shit.
Turning around. You ain't aiming anything at me.
Can I get a turn?
Die.
No.
Hey, Ace, you might win.
Finally, got an Uno.
Yeah, I guess. Hmm.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna give me cards,
You
so.
have a 1 in 4 chance. Oh.
Motherfucker!
Go ahead, Ace. Thank you.
Lucky. You lucky.
So funny. Anywho,
Oh, heck yeah.
it's a shame.
Aw.
Aw, I don't have any cards, unfortunately. Oh
Hey.
god, finally.
Yeah, I know. Freaking finally, right?
Breakdowns for not being the best. You won! Congratulations, you filthy bitch!
Yeah, I'll give it to you on that one.
I hope this doesn't ruin our friendship because you guys are too rare to lose. I love you guys. I don't want to lose you. Please, 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 Sammy, don't do anything. She's gonna unfriend us both.
Hmm?
I don't want that. I like her as a friend. She's a good friend. I don't wanna. I'm stressed. What do I do? 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 No, I don't know what to do.
It's a 5, dude. Come on, and it's green. How long I think that's green.
Yeah, anyway.
I'll do this safe.
Yeah. Beep boop.
He has something up his sleeve, doesn't he? We're changing.
You have some greens? Oh yeah, you guys do definitely have some green.
Hey, Bunny, can you make it blue? I would
Hey,
love
Liam,
that.
can you make it yellow?
No, I'm gonna make it my color.
Red.
Well, you guessed. Congratulations, you're
Bam.
so lucky. And
Oh man, Ace, you are such a doll. Thank you.
No, you ain't aiming anything at me.
guys, stop using me as bait for fuck.
You are not aiming anything at me. Aim stuff at Liam.
Donald's.
Why this color?
That's why.
Because it's his favorite. Don't judge him.
That's
I'm
why.
a 6. Motherfucker. Motherfuck. Fuck.
Yay.
Fuck.
Switch it
Oh,
around, Liam. Oh wait, no. Wait. No.
It's 2
I
cards.
got something.
Yay.
She screwed us up.
Okay. That's 4 wins to 2 ones. How adorable. This is a nice stretch.
You're sounding like John when he's confident. Stop it.
Mm,
Sounding like
2
Penny.
zeros. 2 zeros, 1 hero. How fun.
Stop acting like Eddie.
Oh, but I can be a one.
No! I don't know what to pick! I don't know what to
Liam.
pick!
That turned insane right here and now. Play gosh dang cards. Shut the fuck up. No, it's yellow now.
Fuck you too! Stop crying. Stop crying. It's bad for your mouth.
Aww, how setting.
Let's turn it to red. I like red.
No, no, Sammy has something. Sammy has something.
Rape me! Daddy?
Wait, no, wait, William, you gotta switch
Oh,
this
just,
around.
yeah, let's go!
At me. Why green?
Because it's my favorite color.